Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus, the second part.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. f of x is equal to the integral from 4 to 3x of a negative t cubed plus 11t squared minus 39t plus 44 dt. And we have to find f prime of x. So let's go use the formula. F prime of x here is equal to d over dx of our integral from 4 to 3x of our negative t cubed, it's a negative t, make sure you can see that, plus 11t squared minus 39t plus 44 dt. A lot of writing here. Alright, so first let's go find the integral right there of, well, our function with respect to t. So d over dx. Alright. The integral of negative t to the third power is a negative t to the fourth over 4. Okay. Plus 11t to the third over 3 for the second part, minus 39t squared over 2, plus a 44t. Pretty big one. And we're integrating this from a 4 to 3x. Okay. So let me go, I guess I can write it out. I guess write that down here and make sure enough room. Let's do that. So now what we want to do is we're going to plug in 3x and 4 into my function here. So f prime of x here, still, is equal to d over dx. And we're going to plug in 3x first for t. So all of our t values we're putting a 3x in. So negative 3x to the fourth over 4 plus 11 times 3x to the third over 3 minus a 39 3x, again for t squared, over 2 plus 44 3x. We subtract that by when we plug 4 into this whole thing, and I've done that for you, and it's a 34.6 repeating, but it really doesn't matter because it will cancel out at the end. So, since the space, let me put this over here. F prime of x is equal to, now d over dx, and I'm going to simplify this out a little bit for you. Okay, so we have 3x to the fourth power. Here we're going to simplify that part. Simplifies to be a negative 81 x to the fourth over 4 plus the next part simplifies to be a 297 x to the third over 3 minus the next part becomes this 39 3x squared is a 351 x squared over 2 plus last part here, 44 times 3 is a 132, right? Make sure I'm in the spot. Yeah, 132 x, and then we subtract the last part, so 34.6 repeating. I'm still within it. Great. Now, some of these can be simplified already, but knowing the next step, I know I'll be taking the derivative, and the denominators get canceled out pretty easily here. So we have f prime of x. We need to take now the derivative of this function. 4 comes down, multiplies by this 4, cancels out, so we have a negative 81 x to the third power. Same thing here, 3 comes down, so we have 297 x to the second power. Okay, minus, same thing here, 351 x squared comes down, 2 cancels that down here, 351x plus, then we have just a 132, right here, 132, derivative of 132x, and the constant disappears, didn't really need that. And so we have it here, long, but not too bad. Our final answer, f prime of x, is equal to a negative 81x cubed plus a 297x squared minus 351x plus 132. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.